Do you think you missed the opportunity? Don't feel bad, market always gives us opportunities. Let's see how we can grab it. Hello all, welcome to my channel. This video is all about how you can identify the nifty levels that can take support at 2021. So I will just explain how you can do it by your own, and if like make sure like you already know support and resistance concepts and how gaps work. Okay, so I think probably many of you traders would have already know like this is like a resistant line and support, and market reacts to the resistance, come down and take support, and goes react to the resistance and come down. This is how it works. Okay, it can be at any side. It can be a down, or it can be up, or it can be a sideways. Okay, so that is one. And if you have a gaps, see here I have marked these gaps in the daily time frame. So we have these many gaps, right? So market has a behavior like it won't go far away from the place where it left the gaps. Okay, so it has to retrace to this gaps and it has to fill that. That is how market works. So this is how I arrived to this, and market can reach up to 11,300. But if you ask me when it can take a reversal or when it can crash, but I'm not sure because I'm not that much of experience to say that. But market, if market come here, what you can do is, see, consider you have 1 lakh of amount. Okay, you plan to invest it for long time. So what you can do is you can just divide it 1 lakh into 5. So I just marked 5 zones, right? Okay, so divided 5 and you will have a 20,000. What you can do, when market come to this area, you can just invest the 20,000, and when market comes to this area again you can invest the 20,000. Likewise, you can diversify the amount what you are going to invest into these zones, because what happens, people wait for these zones and they will be missing out the opportunity. So that is the reason you can just keep on investing whenever market comes to these zones. Okay, that is how it works. And if you don't know about any of the shares, what you can just do is you can straight away go to Nifty Bees and you can buy that, because Nifty Bees is the investment what you can directly do into the index fund. Okay, that is an exchange tradable fund, is ETF. Okay, it is Nifty Bees. It will cost around 100 or 150 around the range. Okay, it won't be much costly. You can just accumulate that Nifty Bees. Else, if you know the fundamental analysis and technical analysis better, you can just come up with the few stocks that is fundamentally strong, and you can just keep watching those stocks when it comes to these regions. Okay, when Nifty comes to this region, you can just need to compare with that in the actual stock which you have sorted out, and if that takes support there, you can just purchase or you can accumulate whatever it can. That's how it works. Okay, so let me come to the Nifty analysis, how you can arrive these zones. Okay, it is just simple resistance and support. Okay, nothing else. I have just marked the gaps where it can react. That is how it works. I will clear all the markings and I will come to this. Okay, so as you know, I will just change this to 5 minutes. You could understand how market will react to the support and resistance, how it react to the gap. See here, sorry, see here. So this happens today, that is January 4. See, it market opens gap up and it crashes. Okay, it just fill the gap. It didn't leave the, it depends, it will fill on the immediate day, it can fill on the immediate week or immediate month, it can be anything, but you need to wait for the gaps to be filled. So this is about how you can grab the opportunity at the right time. So because the people who invest at the top, they might be feeling, oh, we missed the bottom. Okay, that is why this analysis helps them to invest at the right place where they can have their money parked. Okay, you need to keep on looking at the left side of your chart and see the gap. See here, I have a gap. I will just mark this. See, you need to mark the closing price of the day end. So if it is, because this is red candle, I'm marking it here, and you need to, there is no need to open market and the open price. You need to market the low, because even though market opened here, it has just filled this gap. So but we have unfilled gap of this area, so this has to be filled, right? So just drag left, huge gap. So it should be justifying. Okay, you can mark any number of gaps, but when you are marking, it should be clearly visible to you with the naked eye. Okay, see here, you have a gap here. So more than 50 points, we need to have at least 50 or more than 60 points gap to market has to react in that place. Okay, see here, we have a gap here. Yes, that's it. Okay, still we have here, and just mark that also. I'll zoom in. Okay, one more zone that can be marked is around, see this area, I guess, closes at this and this. Okay, so this is how I have arrived stating like these are the levels market can react. So you can wait until these levels and you can just go long. How we can invest, that is another point, right? So do you need to invest immediately when it reaches to this level? The answer is no, because it depends on the trend. When it comes to this prices, what you can do is you can just check whether the zone is been getting reversed, like it can touch here, and if we take a reversal, you can just invert at that point. If it is not taking reversal, you can just still wait, because what happen, it can come down to the next levels. Okay, that is how you need to make a plan. So if you come here, if you see this area is been broken, and you can just still wait how long it goes to this. Okay, and even at this level you need to check whether the reversal can happen, because here there are high probability of chances it can take a reversal. You need to wait until the reversal, and you can just get into the positions whatever other stocks you need. Again, it applies same for all the levels. Okay, that is how you can just invest, keep on investing, and once market reaches, gives you the good amount of profit, whatever the risk and risk management what you maintain, you can just exit the trade. It can be a 10 percentage of profit or 20, whatever it can be. You can just exit based on the price actions. That is how you can plan in 2021. But this level, if you ask me whether it will crash immediately or it will go till 15,000, or it might go till 50,000, but I'm not sure that. Okay, I'm not that much of expert to identify that levels, because if we have a prior candle, we could be able to mark the price action levels that is resistant, and we can come up with an idea. Okay, market can react at that place and it will reach to this support. But this is an all-time high, right? So we will not be able to know whether it can react immediately or it can react to the some levels. Okay, and one more point is, see, this is an if you see this line, okay, this area is an important resistant. If you mark here, see, this is a major resistant here. It has been broken and it didn't retest it, so it has to come here definitely. Okay, so be patient and wait for this, you will get a right trade. Okay, that is about this analysis. So hope everyone understood the analysis what I did. You can just make your own analysis. It doesn't mean that you need to go long in these zones. Still you can make your own analysis. So this is just an educational purpose video where I can just share my views how you can do analysis and come up with the zones that can take support in Nifty. Similarly, you can do it for Nifty Bank also, and also with some good amount of fundamentally strong stocks, where you can just identify these kind of zones and you can make investing on those. Thank you for all the subscribers watching this video, and if you didn't subscribe yet, do subscribe to my channel and share this video to your friends if you feel it as useful. Okay, thank you very much. We'll meet you next video.